Hello.
If for some reason you have lost your Windows activation key, today I will show you two of the easiest and most convenient ways to find the keys on your computer or laptop.
First, we will do without third-party programs and create a script, VBS. For this you need to right-click on the desktop and select, Create a text document.
Open a new text document. Now you need to follow the link to the website, and copy the text in my blog to create the VBS script. The link is in the description of the video. Here you can read the instructions for creating a script. Below we select this text, copy it, and if you did everything right, now you can close the website. Paste the copied text into a new text document. At the top left, click File, Save As, and now you need to give any name to the document. I will name it My Key
Point and VBS.
On the bottom line, select the file type, All Files, and click Save. I close and delete the new document. It is no longer needed, and now we see that the script shortcut has appeared on the desktop. Double-click on the shortcut and a message with the Windows activation keys immediately opened. I click OK, and additional information was opened in the message. The script showed the keys of Windows, which I myself installed on my computer, but here we do not see OEM keys. If you bought your computer or laptop with Windows pre-installed, and you want to find out your OEM keys, then you need to look at the second method, which I'll show you now. So, method number 2, how to find the activation keys for a boxed copy of Windows and OEM keys. To do this, follow the link to go to the Microsoft website, and download a small free program on your computer or laptop. The link is in the description of the video. This is the download page of the program. We see that it is free. Click Get, click Open. In the next window click Install. The program is installed, click Launch, and close the windows of the website. In the program window, we see more complete information than the script showed us. And we do not see OEM keys here, because I did not buy a ready-made computer with Windows 10, I bought all the components separately and assembled the computer myself. If you bought a computer or laptop with Windows pre-installed, then you will see your OEM keys here. To check your keys for authenticity, click Check Edition. Enter your keys, and click Check. And also the program can save all this data to the computer. You can also see the keys of your Windows using the PowerShell utility and the command prompt, but I think that the two methods that I showed you will be quite enough. There are also third-party programs for finding keys on the internet, but you should know that the manufacturers of these programs may well use your keys for their own purposes. This concludes. Thank you all very much for your attention to my video. Good luck.